What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some headlight restoration, some long overdue for the Nissan 350Z. As you can see, these headlights are absolutely cooked from the sunlight. So today we're going to be using some MacGyver's two-step, and we're going to see how it goes. This is my first time doing any headlight restoration, so come along for the ride. First step is to not be doing this outside on a windy day, so maybe indoors somewhere with good ventilation. And then you're gonna wanna clean off the headlights to make sure there's no other dirts or oil or any little debris on it. And the third step is, that I'm at least doing, is cutting out trash bags to fit over these massive headlights and taping them down with masking tape. All right, we have the headlights all taped up and ready to go. The cleaning solution, and you're just putting a quarter-sized amount of this onto the pad and wiping that over the headlight to remove some of the debris that you couldn't get out earlier. So what you're going to want to look for is it looking frosted on the headlight, and it says to use a towel to remove it periodically to check your progress. So let's go. Alright, there's pretty much a uniform frosted look to them now, so I just have to let them dry after washing them with kind of a damp towel. So they'll probably be dry in like a minute in this heat. Okay, so set 2, headlight must be 100% clean and dry. Apply a medium wet coat of pilot coating to the entire headlight surface, overlapping the previous pass by 50%. Let the first coat dry 3 to 5 minutes, and follow with a second coat to completely seal the headlight lens. And the coating will be dry to touch in 3 to 5 minutes and fully cured in 24 hours. Alright, you got all that? That's some tough stuff. Make sure you have some ventilation in before you do this. But you can definitely see a difference even after the first coat there. That's nice. So after this second coat, we just have to let it sit for 24 hours and then it should be good. But it says not let it touch water in that 24 hours, I guess, to let it completely seal. Easy enough. All right, coat 2. Alright, so the fumes have settled mostly, and you can see it already looks really good, or at least better than it was. And honestly, for a $20 no drill type electric tool required solution, you do have to put a little bit of pressure when you're essentially sanding off the junk, but I think almost anyone would be able to do it, so I highly recommend it. And I'll try to put a clip in the video where it shows the updated final product. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours and that's how long it said that it needed to cure. And looking at the headlights, pretty big improvement, so I'm satisfied with the results. I probably could do it one more time, but I'm okay with it for now. It's much better than what I've been driving around with. So if this was helpful to you, go ahead and like and subscribe for more content.